Hi everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Zacconi here that had some quite extensive repairs done to it. So this machine was leaking from both the top and the bottom boiler gaskets. It also needed a new heating element and a new thermal fuse. So here you can see the damage to that old heating element. Here is the old fuse, and this just sits sort of inside the boiler. And then the machine got a full tune-up, so I replaced all of the gaskets here that sit in the group head. This one here, the sight glass was replaced along with its gaskets. Which are here, and actually this machine had a lot of rust and corrosion, so I did also replace some bolts and some screws on the machine just on the bottom, so you can see some of that damage here. Also, when I replaced the fuse, I had to do some rewiring too. You can see, not this one, sorry. This is melted. Yeah. And here are some more examples. And that's about it for the repair. So I don't have a portafilter for this machine, so I can't pull a shot, but I can show you that water does come out of the group head, and we have steam, and you can also see here that the pressure stabilizes at around 1.5 bars. So it's just a little messy, but it would be less messy with a portafilter, but this is just to show you that water is coming out. Now we have the steam. Okay, so that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.